How to find help. Opus Touch is very well documented in an extensive PDF manual. That manual can be directly accessed from within Touch. To open the help, just click on the Bruker icon in the upper right corner. Now you can see basic version and licensing information. You can directly see what software version is installed and the registered Opus packages. At the bottom you can see two links to PDF manuals. The one at the top is for Opus Touch itself, the one at the bottom is for the spectrometer. To open one of the manuals, simply click on the link. The table of contents allows you to directly jump to a topic of interest. The toolbar that automatically pops up when you point to the top of the document allows you to save the manual to a PDF on an USB stick. From here you can also use the bookmarks to navigate inside of the manual. Now you know where to find the manuals in Opus Touch.